Yes, guys. Yes, welcome. We'll let a few people come in before we get things started. Some of you already in here. Let's go. Saeed, welcome. Hello. Fabi, good to see you. Imran, I'm excited too. Good to see you guys already in. How you doing, Saeed? Hope you're all well. The man, welcome. How are you doing? Hope you're all good. SRC with a twist, market cruiser strategy. That's what I'll be doing. My strategy I'll be going through essentially SRC / market cruiser. I'll be using setups that I've narrowed down to my favorite setups and the ones that I only use in the market now. So we'll see how we get on. We just chill for a few minutes, let some people come in, don't want anyone missing out. I'll tell you all about the giveaway. I'll tell you what we're going to be doing. So yeah, pretty excited for this one, guys. Yeah, how's your trading day, guys? Anyone in the chat at the moment whilst we wait for a few others? Anyone grab some nice W's? Any break-even trades? Any losses? Be good to hear how you getting on. Thanks, Christoph. Appreciate that. Got the feeler with the mountains on, representing skiing and snowboarders. Fabi, 1 loss, 2 wins today. All on EG. Oh, fair play. Okay. Nice. More wins than losses. That's what we like to hear. 1% up for the man. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Yeah, love to hear it. Myself and Market Cruiser a lot as well. We took one trade, made it a nice win as well. So 1 trade, 1 win. Love to see it. Yeah, good all round. Good to hear. 2 more days left of the trading week, so hopefully we can end the week strong. Imran, is it you using MT5 simulator? It is going to be me using the simulator, yes. Don't know who else is going to be here. It's definitely going to be me. Right, guys, now we've kind of had 4 minutes to settle in. Before we get started, let me tell you about something exciting about this stream. We are going to be doing, Funding Frontier are going to be doing a 25k giveaway, not just 10, 25 account giveaway, 25k. So you're probably thinking, how do I enter this? So what you need to do, make sure you like this stream right now. Make sure you're subscribed to Funding Frontier as well. And then the final thing you need to do, if you just follow the link in the description, all you have got to do is sign up to the newsletter. So like, subscribe, sign up to the newsletter. The link is in the description. Just them 3 things, and then you're going to be entered into the 25k account giveaway in this stream. So yeah, exciting, very exciting. So make sure you get that done now. Let me give you 60 seconds. Everybody, I want to see that like. I can see you moving that mouse. Like, subscribe. Go down to the links in the description for the 25k account giveaway, and then I'll announce it. I'll announce the winner at the end of the simulation. So, yes, Imran, already done. He's on it. Well done. Right, and sign up for the newsletter. Well done. Saeed, you work on price action, SMC, ITT. I work on SRC mainly with a market cruise, MC, market cruise twist, and my own stuff. Christoph, I better win. Well, you better be like, subscribe, and the newsletter entered. Otherwise, you're not going to be winning. So make sure you got that done. But yeah, whilst I set up the simulation, then guys, hopefully it works. Whilst set up simulation, make sure you do that, like, subscribe, and then all that, and the newsletter. Links in description. 2003. We're going to go 2024 because it's more recent. Gold 2024. What should we do? May. Start on the first week, Monday, so we get a full week in May. End date. May. So we start on the 6th. Let's do a full week. Go through to Friday, so that gives us a full week. USD. Let's go for a 100k account. GMT. Yep. I'll leave that. Leave that. Leave that. Spread. We'll do 1 pip spread. History on the charts. We're going to want the full whack. 10. 1, 2, 3. Standard chart period. 5 minutes. We'll go as low as 5 minutes. Bars 10,000. Start simulation. I think we're all good to go. Just checking everything looks all right. Yeah, just before whoa. Well, I don't know why that just didn't load, which is a bit annoying. Okay, here we go. We're loading. Whoa, panic. Over. Didn't think that was going to load then. What I'll do is get on the 15-minute. I'm just going to, whilst you are liking, subscribing, and doing the newsletter to enter the giveaway, I'm just going to sort out this chart because I don't particularly like the look of it. And then I'll get to the comments after this. Don't want a grid really. I would have thought this would have saved, but clearly not. Let's go for red. Full candle. Medium sea green. Let's just go sea green. Bear candle. Bear with me, guys. Line chart. Volumes. That's the one we don't want. Yeah, at the bottom there. Other than that, I think we're all good. Yeah, let's go. Let's put that across. Don't really need to see that. And then we'll zoom in. Okay, we're all set. So, let me just answer a couple of questions before we get going. Put that on. We want sessions. I like to have the sessions up here so I can see where we're at in the day because I like to start trading 2 hours before London Open. So here you can see it says 7. That's London Open. I like to start my trading pre-London, so it's 2 hours before. Sometimes the times are a bit different. So yeah. So we'll get ourselves over to the ticks per trade. Let's see how fast that's going for now. A bit faster. Start with that for now. So yeah, let's maybe I should have done it more. Let's hop over to pre-London. Come on, gonna have to have a good trigger finger here. Get over to 5 in the morning. Okay, cool. What mindset helps traders handle larger capital? What mindset helps traders handle larger without letting greed or fear take over? To be honest, Jibin, for me, having it's hard, isn't it? When you've got bigger accounts, it's hard. because you're in that mindset of like, whoa, these are big numbers, this is big money. You have to get out your head the big numbers, because whether you're trading, honestly, what helps me trading a 10k account, it gets you used to the percentages, gets you just used to the pip size, and then you get yourself in that mindset. It's a percentage game. It's not about money, it's about percentages. You could be trading on a $10 account, right? As long as you've got your strategy, your percentages down to a T, you just got to replicate that onto the 100k. But yeah, that's my best advice. Keep going on little counts, get used to it, and then work your way up to start getting used to the bigger numbers. Okay, cool. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off on a daily. As you can see, pushing bullish at the moment on the daily. We've also got this support down here. I'll show you how I mark up my charts in a minute. Essentially, I'll grab the support, daily support. We've got clean candles down to the left-hand side after that, and then we've got our daily resistance up at this level here. Pop down to the 4-hour. Again, we're in that consolidation range. Still matches up with the daily, lovely. And I'll go down to the hourly, have a look at that. Down to the half an hour. And down to the 15-minute. So essentially what I'm looking at now is we've got daily support, daily resistance, and then we've got daily support. That 15-minute resistance, 15-minute support here. So now what I'm going to be doing, first things first, I need to wait for a closure outside the range. I need a closure outside of here. I'm not going to be trading in this range. It's way too choppy, way too messy. Speed that up a little bit, I think. That's the first thing I'm going to do. But when we got that closure, then I'm going to analyze where is it a good trade? Is the candlesticks looking clean? Have we got a clean closure, etc., etc.? So coming up to our first candle closure. Okay, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Still in the range. Speed it up a little bit. Okay, weak bearish candle formed in the range. Hopefully we can break up above that. Let's see. Getting some good volume there. About to get candle closure. Not quite. Still within the range. Still working. Perhaps if I just forward a bit. Okay, not quite. Just forward. Be nice to get a bottom wick here. Perhaps then break up after. But because we haven't got a bottom wick yet, I wouldn't take that trade. I do like the setup. A weak bearish candle resistance. But because we've got no bottom wick, I wouldn't be looking to enter that trade yet. Again, still nothing. Still no closure. Looking a bit more interesting. Still nothing. Still at that resistance. Okay. Okay. Great. Now, the impulse there was okay out the range, but I do like the fact that we had a solid closure. We had a weak bearish. The impulse out there would have been quite nice, but I just wanted to see the closure after all this mess. We're in a nice time zone at the moment. So yeah, I'll be looking to take buys at break of the previous wick. Let me just set this up. Trade panel, I want to see that as well, so you can see our floating profits, etc. So I'm just, because it's 100k account, I'm just going to stick to standard 5 lot for this first sim session. Live order, we're going to go for a buy at the break of the previous wick. Okay, it's just going to do it from... Okay, let's just do this. I'm looking to anticipate the buy at the break of the previous wick. Bear with me, let me just adjust. I'm going to put my stops below the previous candle. Not too bad, 22 pips. Let's whack TP up there. We've got a nice wick fill to the left, and then we see how we run. Okay, then we let it run. If it doesn't break the previous wick, that's a bit annoying, but I'll make sure I'll wait for that next time. Okay, we've broken it anyway. So what I'm looking for, right, guys, if we can go like, you know, healthy amount of pips in profit. So we're 10 pips up already, which is real nice. Yes, there is a giveaway, guys. Make sure you tune. I'm going to be announcing the giveaway at the end. You have to like, subscribe. Well, okay, now we're pushing. Nice. Okay, the giveaway, for those that are asking right now, the giveaway, like the stream, comment, not comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you are, go down to the description, there's a newsletter to sign up for. Then you've entered, and I'm going to announce it at the end of the stream, so I'm not going to say it again. Okay, we're 20 pips in profit, guys. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to make it a risk-free trade. I'm going to go stops at break even. I'm going to also close partials now. We're a healthy amount of pips, 22 pips, 23 pips in profit. Close some partials. I'm going to close out, you know, 85%. So here's our equity down here. So we've just secured 1.1%. So lovely. We see where we can get runners to go to. I've got my TP up there. So let's see. Can we get the runners to run? It's risk-free now anyway. Oh, lovely push. Whoa. 40 pips. Whoa. Okay, 63 pips. When it's on the sim, like obviously your ticks are going a lot quicker. So in real time, it's slower. But yeah, 63 pips. So take that. Close full. Is this here? Perfect. Close full. Trade number 1. Done. So yeah, that's a real nice trade for the Monday. What I'm going to do is just going to skip forward now. Personally, when there's been a big push like this, I will now look for a new range to form because we've got a big clean candle. It's not a good idea to take a buy now at the break of this candle because we moved so far. So honestly, I'll just be waiting. So I don't go for RR, Jabin. Right, guys, what I'm going to just say now, this is like my strategy I use consistently every single day. This is just how I trade. I'm going to portray to you how I trade. This is my strategy. This is how I roll. So you'll see me putting my stops, you know, below either current or previous candle, no matter what the RR is right there. If we get to 10, 20, 30 pips in profit, I'm going to go break even, close partials. That's how I do things. So yeah, that's how we're going to roll. So yeah, RR, I don't particularly follow it. I follow the price action. I follow the structure of the market. And yeah, it's consistently profitable over long periods of time. We've been proven, so it's going to keep going. Don't want to jinx it for this sim session, mind you. But yeah, I'll skip forward a little bit. We've got the nice win for the day. To be honest, after a nice win, I'll be skipping to the next day. We'll see if there's another setup in the meantime. So let me pause it. So another setup, I'll be looking. Look, right, we've now formed new resistance. We formed new support. Got to check the other time frames as well. Make sure they're all aligned. Yeah, that's cool. That's good. We're still in this new range. You see on the hourly R coming up to, like, we've still got another 30, 40 pips. Actually, Ryan, some more doubts. Is gradually scaling critical? Honestly, if you've got a winning strategy, right, a proven winning strategy, just stick to it and be consistent with it. That's exactly what I do with my strategy. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna roll. Not gonna change anything for anyone. I know it works. Go on my Instagram and I document every single trade. So check that out at Ryan Cruz Effects. If you want to have a little look on there. So let me just skip forward. So New York Open now. That's a real nice. Oh, with news as well. We've got to be careful. This is news now. So again, avoid trading news times. It would be 12:30 on here, but yeah, avoid that. I'm just going to skip to the next day as we come to a close on the London close. Yeah, we're going to go over to Tuesday, so that's cool. One trade, 1.4%. I'm really happy with that. We're going to go over to Tuesday now. Get the trigger finger out. Should have done a bigger time zone, really. Okay, Tuesday. And then we reanalyze. Tuesday, 5 a.m. Nice background view. Thank you. I'm sure the guys that created that will appreciate that fully. So let's analyze. First of all, daily. So previous daily that we were bullish. We've got some really nice buys in that bullish. Great. If we respect the previous line of daily and continue pushing up, we can expect to like kind of fill this wick. 140 pips. If we do continue up, we've got clean candles. So that's really nice. Christoph, I'll be with you in a sec. 4 hour. Okay, I'm just going to adjust that slightly. Got a 4 hour resistance, 4 hour support. So that's a really nice range we've got in the 4 hour. We'll look for a closure outside there. Now I'm looking down to the 1 hour. Adjust that slightly. We could potentially have a trade idea here. Coming up, got 35 pip range, so that's not bad. Downside, we've got lovely clean candles coming down to this support, 2308. More clean candles after that, so that's cool. This is just my scan. I do this throughout every day, guys. I scan the markets. I scan where potential trade ideas are. Potentially, we could have the half an hour and the hourly split here. Perfect. Okay, we're set. So, why have I got my resistance here? We formed the most recent resistance. We've got clean candles to the left-hand side. 41 pip clean candles on the range. That's nice. To the downside, we get a closure below 2320, 150. We've got this wick fill. And then we've got clean candles coming down to the support area here. Awesome. Yeah, Christoph, look. I clicked the 5 minute and it comes up with 5 minutes. So I just have to keep spamming that. It's a bit annoying, but I will. Okay, let's play. Might have to slow it down a bit, to be honest. But we'll speed it up until we get to like our area of interest. So we wait. I need to see a clean closure. I need to see clean setups. I need to see clean candles. So this candle now we're pushing really heavily bearish. We've got no top wick, which I don't particularly like that much. But we'll see. We'll go to other time frames as well. Sometimes as well, guys, trades will happen. You just got to let them go. Maybe you can find setups off the back of like a big push. You don't have to catch every single move. Still in the range. Okay, we just finished that candle closure. Still in the range. Bullish exhausting wick. I don't particularly like this engulfing wick, but it looks like it's setting up nicely for something. We'll see. Oh, it's a nice push down. The only thing is we've got no top. I would have wanted to see at least a top wick for this, but so I'm going to stay patient here. See if we can get this candle to close below. After the bullish exhaustion wick, taking a credit to the upside, which is really nice. If we can close below here, let's see. Oh, how are we going to close? Okay, we couldn't close below. So this is why I wait for candle closures, guys. If you're impulsing out this range, yeah, you could have got 15 pips, got the wick fill, but we closed back in here. So yeah, staying patient at this point. Wait for a closure. Dr. K, do we have a back test every Wednesday? So next Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a live stream of live trading in the New York session at 11:30 GMT AM. And then the following Wednesday after that, I'll be coming back to a back testing session. So every Wednesday, yeah, there's something on. Ooh, let me just check the other time frames here. Oh, no top wick on the half an hour, on the hourly, 4 hour. Do think this will push, but it's not in accordance with my rules. So because we've got no top wick on the half an hour, etc., I'm not going to take that trade. If it goes, it goes. We do re-break the lows, which we can't. No, not liking it. Unless we can get some sort of MC play here, which is like the break of the previous highs and go down. If we can break the previous high and then break the previous low, that would be tempting, but we'll see. Could be looking at a fake out here, guys. Or a quick trade, maybe. Okay, I don't mind this. I don't mind this. Maybe for a quick trade because the range isn't too bad, but we've got a fake out here. I'll probably be looking for 10-20 pips. As you can see, just move that out of the way. Don't mind this because see this candle, red bearish candle here, closed outside the range, and then this candle, the bullish candle, closed back in the range. So I do like the fake out, but however, you know, 10-20 pips is what I'm looking for here because this range is a bit smaller. But when we have a fake out, there's a high probability that we kind of fill at least up to that resistance. So let's give it a go, I think. Wait, let me just, I want to wait for the wick break. That's where my entry. Probably about 45 minutes to an hour. We're on Tuesday already. I've just got to not miss this if we break up. One minute left for candle. No, we couldn't get the fake out, and that's fine. See if we can get a closure back below. I'm not entering that now because the candle couldn't break the previous candle high. So we can get a closure back below. I wouldn't mind it now. Which, ooh, let's see. Can we get a closure below again? So we had the fake out. It couldn't sustain the moves. So we do get a closure back below that range that we had drawn out in 5 minutes. Wouldn't mind that for sales at all. One minute. Okay. I don't mind this at all, guys. The fact that we had the fake out, then we couldn't. The entry of the trade is at the break of previous wick, right? Didn't get that. But then we closed back below the range and below this smaller range. I don't mind if we break the previous wick now. Ooh, we done it. Okay, cool. Let's go for it. Let's take a sell. It's Tuesday. Stop loss below previous high. Can I grab that? Cool. We'll ride it down to this previous support at least, which is nice. How many pips we got? 30 pips. We'll ride it down to there. I like this. See how we run. We see how we roll. Let's go. Ooh. Should I slow this down a bit? It's a bit scatty, isn't it? Is that better? We're rolling, about break even. A few minutes till candle close. Speed it up a little bit. Is that a bit better? Okay, maybe a loss on this one, guys. Yeah, definitely going to be a loss on this one. That's okay. Minus 20 pips. I'm going to close out there. We're definitely going to get taken out. Tried it. We got like just barely 10 pips. So yeah, we'll close that one. Pretty sure we could let it run. Yeah, close that out. That's cool. See if we would have got taken out anyway. So now the fake out's kind of come in, but oh well, it doesn't matter. So yeah, we're just sitting about 0.5% up at the moment. We'll afford that. Whoa. There's the bearish push that we wanted. But that's okay. Gonna probably hop over to Wednesday. Let's see if we get set up in New York session. But again, this is how I'll adjust my zones now. But I will probably hop over to the next day. Looking at time, etc. as well. Yeah, that's just gonna go with no top wick. Oh, that was a nice fake out right there. Missed it. I'm skipping. I got too eager. So yeah, this would have been a really nice trade, guys. Got too eager there. But yeah, as you see, close below range, fake out, really nice, perfect trade there. I'm gonna hop over to Wednesday anyway. Oh, I've just missed another setup. Just for the purpose of your education, guys. I am just gonna hop over to Wednesday now. But yeah, look here. Closure above the range as well after the fake out, followed by a small bearish candle. Entries here, impulse entry, stops go below the current candle. Really nice drive up. So yeah, perfect. I've got way too eager on the forward button there. This is my first live sim session, guys, so I'll get better with all the buttons and mechanics, everything. So but yeah, stay tuned. Going over to Wednesday. So yeah, a couple of nice setups there. Took the loss we gave a go. Didn't mind that. Coming over to Wednesday, pre-London. Bingo. Okay. So daily. Okay, interesting. So the daily, we had the big bullish daily. Then we just followed by a bearish candle yesterday. Couldn't break the previous high or lows, and then this current daily, we did break lows early on. Now we're pushing bullish, but it depends. If we can respect the previous high on this daily and then continue to push down a bit more, if we re-break the lows, I'll be looking for sells. But yeah, let's go down to the smaller time frames. Resistance on the 4 hour there. Support on the 4 hour here. Just check there. Almost 1 hour. We started at Saeed. Started at 6. So yeah. Oh, you're answering there. Thank you. Yeah, about an hour, guys. I reckon. We're on Wednesday, so we're halfway through. More than halfway. But yeah, 4 hour looking cool. Hourly looks like we had a nice fake out there. Run up, no top wick. Let's go down to the half an hour and the 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minute, we've kind of formed, we've got this support here. And then we have got, where's my other, there we go. We've got this resistance up here, and then it's a bit choppy to the left after that. What I'd like to see is a new resistance form somewhere up here first, and we can create a new range. So if I just forward a little bit, see if we can just create a new resistance first. Okay, this makes more sense now. So we've got a new range formed now, which is nice. What I'll be looking for is a closure above or below this range. Above here's just, we've got this wick feels not that clean. I'd probably want it above, to be honest. If I can just grab that above this level, so we've got a cleaner wick fill to the upside. But yeah, we've got this no bottom wick closure here, so I'm going to look for a setup now. Play. If we close below straight away, I don't mind. Like if we get this next bearish candle, I don't mind, but Yeah, if that goes, it goes, but we can still wait for a setup of the back of it. So we'll see. Question bearish. Okay, so we've got a closure below. Let me tell you what I like and what I don't like. I like the closure below, so it does signify that we're going to make a bearish move. However, very small body closure with a longer wick, I tend to avoid these, so I'm going to wait to see what the next candle prints us. I'm going to wait for a setup. I like the bearish move, but I'm going to wait for a setup. Let me see. Comments above bullish run. You reckon we're going bullish? I think we're going bearish with that closure. Okay. Waiting for a setup. There's no setup still. And I'm not going to risk taking that. I'm going to wait for like a small bullish candle to form. And then if we can re-break the bullish lows, that's where I'm going to take my entry. Okay. This is looking hopeful. How long we got? 5 minutes. Just a small bullish candle, please. Yeah, this is looking okay. Bingo. Bingo. Okay, cool. Now, we've got a small bullish candle. What I'm going to look for now is called the MC play, I like to call it, the market cruiser play. Which essentially is a break of the previous candle high. We've had the breakout, right? We've even closed below this support level here. If we can break the previous candle high, it entices buyers into the market, right? It looks like a rejection to the downside. But if we could break the previous high, then proceed to break the previous low here, that's my entry. So just going to take things slow. Okay, cool. Tick. Number one, we've broken the previous high. Now, if we can break the previous low, we can. Sometimes you can even anticipate the sell, which I do like, which I think, yeah, I like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the sell now. I'm going to anticipate that we break the previous low. That's the MC play. We've broken the highs, liquidity grab. We've had the breakout. I'm going to see if we can run this down to the previous support where the clean candles are. So I'm going to take the sell. Stops on these ones go above current candle. Stops above current candle. Because it's the MC play. We've had the liquidity grab. If we re-break the highs now, I've got no business being in the trade. So I'm going to take it down to previous support. So you can go for a nice trade here. Accept. And then we're going to roll. Still going to put my stops at break even after a healthy amount of pips. Should push down. Yep, great. Okay, cool. So we've broken the lows now, so I will expect this to keep running. The MC play, I love them. It's normally high volume. Don't do this to me today. Okay, cool. Keep breaking lows. Nine pips, 10 pips, 7, 6. Okay, candle closure. I've got no business closing it out. We still got the bearish closer, so I like that. We can continue down now to break the previous low. We should continue the bearish move. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Break that previous low. There we go. There we go. That's clean. Okay. What are we sitting at? 20 pips? 22 pips? $20. Okay, we've got another closure there. So like 23 pips in profit now. So I'm gonna try and hold it a bit longer, but I'm gonna make it risk-free anyway. I normally like to close partials. But I do like the clean candles we're in at the moment. I'm just gonna go break even at least. It's risk-free now, so I wouldn't if we then break the previous high now, we've got no business being in the trade. I'm gonna let this run for a bit longer. Nice English rhyme, bit better for a bit longer. So we continue breaking the lows. We're gonna be brave and hold it to the support. I think most of the way. Okay, 30. Keep driving. Still bearish closure. Still like it. Maybe we get to around 50 pips of close partials. Or trail stops. Still like it. Okay. 50 pips. I like it. What I'm going to do is close partials. I'm going to close 85%. Secure some bag. Lovely. So now we're 3% up, and then I can just let the runners run. I'm just going to look left to see below this previous support, because I know we've only got a little bit of runner left. Sometimes I just like to extend it if we can. If we have got more range. So where are we at? Yeah, that's the entry point. Okay, cool. Maybe I just run it a bit further down. Can I modify it? Yeah. Just going to run it a bit further down, just to see if we can get like 120 pips. Let's see if we can get a nice runner. Or should we just go for 100 pip? That'd be cool to say we got a 100 pip trade on the simulation. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get our 100 pips. We've secured most of our position, so I'm happy with that. Stops at break even, I'm happy with that. So let's see. Speed it up a bit. Come on. Oh, come on. What are we on? 60? 60? Oh, 68? 70? 80? Come on. Let's go. 100 pips secured on the live stream on the sim session. Cool. I like that. I love that. Love that. Okay. Did we get any more? Oh, it went for more. What I'm going to look for now, this is what I would do. So we just coming into later London session now. We'll look for a new support and a new resistance. Okay. So we've created a new support. Created a new resistance. So what I'm going to look for now, like, is a closure outside this smaller range. This is how I roll. Okay. So we closed slightly above. No top wick though, so I'm not going to really enter that trade. But I might give it a go bullish for a bit. These clean candles to the left hand side. Let's see how we roll. Am I live trading? This is a simulation session, so it's old date. This is, I think we chose May, so quite a while ago this year. So I did go bullish there, but I'm still going to wait for a setup. I'm going to wait patiently because we had that previous no top wick. So we still got the closure. Still not looking to enter a trade yet. I need to see like a small bearish candle or something like that. Something to signify. So if that can close small bearish maybe. Yeah. Okay, cool. I like this now. So we've had the closure above, right? Then we've got a small bearish candle closure. So if we can now break the previous wick high, I like the buys, but we'll see if we can break it first. We might reject it. We'll see. It's all about just being fluid. Oh, okay. Slow down. Oh, there's my entry. Okay, I'm going to enter it anyway. It's a little bit late. I'm going to go stops below current candle for the impulse. And then I'm going to go TP. Where can we ride it up to? Previous resistance is up here. But we'll see. It's the second trade of the day. I won't look to... I'll look to go risk-free quite early. We'll see how we roll. Okay, so nice bit of profits there. Ooh, coming back down towards entry. Got no reason to close yet. Rebreak the highs. Come on, gold. Okay. Two things here. Yes, we have got a small bearish candle. We are sitting at 8 pips in profit. So my thoughts. We've got a small bearish candle, right? But I'm going to hold the trade because if we can now break the small bearish candle, the structure still suggesting sellers are not in control. Because it's a small bearish candle after a breakout. So I'm going to expect price to actually re-break this previous high. So I'm going to hold for now. Lovely. So that actually, if you've missed this setup, I would enter another trade here. If you've missed that, I'd enter another trade here, which we could do. Which I'm on a sim session. Why not? Let me just do it for the purpose of the video. I love that. Can I do 2 trades at once? I can. This is ballsy. So it's another impulse. Stops below current. We'll go for maybe a little bit less TP on this one. But yeah, the setup's there. The setup's there. So 1 impulse, 2 impulse. So I like this trade. Okay, we're 20 pips in profit on one. I'm going to go break even on that one. And the other one was 7 at the moment. Oh. Okay. 30 pips on one. I'm going to close partials on the 30 pips one. I'm going to close 8. Let's go 90%. That's cool. And then the second one, I'm going to go stops to break even as well with like 16 pips in profit. Just let that run, let that ride up to that resistance. Go on. Okay, that's one. 50 pips on this one. I'm going to let the runners run up to that resistance. We get it? Perfect. Perfect. Really nice. Really nice. So it's Wednesday. We've taken, well, technically that was kind of one trade, but it was 2 entries. So taken a couple, 2-3 trades there. We're 6.6% up on the week so far. We're going to just go to the next day now, guys. I'm just being aware of time. And I wouldn't advise taking more than 2-3 trades a day anyway. So some nice setups. This isn't too bad either. Another nice setup there. Real nice. Okay, anyway, I'm going to go over to Thursday. I thought someone was coming in the door then. Come on, trigger finger. Oh, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. And I am Malikazan. Thank you. Yeah, we're doing all right so far. First one I've ever done. So yeah, let's go. Let's get to the next day for Thursday. 6.6% up on the week already. That's real nice. We've taken one loss. We tried it. That's okay. Okay. Thursday. Let's do our analysis. Get out of the way. So again, we did break that on the previous daily analysis. We did break the previous low and finish bearish. So again, if we can respect this previous high and carry on going bearish, we can see that. Come down to the 4 hour. Got a nice support form, nice resistance form, clean candles either side. Lovely, lovely. Hourly. Same situation. Half an hour. Okay, so we're pushing very, very bullish. This is the 15-minute. I'm going to need to see a new range formed at this point. Whoa, actually. Just looking at this MC play here. Let me just... So... You see we kind of broke out this resistance up here. Let me grab the other thing. Let me see. We might be able to get in some nice buys here. Based on the fact of the MC play. Here. You see this here. We had this already. So we had this support. This is our range, right? Essentially. And then we broke out this candle here. Broke out the range. And closed above the previous resistance. Weak bearish candle. Followed by, this is the MC play. And as we know, could either grab to the downside, then break above the previous high. We're still pushing bullish, come up to this resistance. But when we see the MC play, I do like to see lots of volume come into the market. I would like to take a buy, but I need to see the previous candle broken anyway. So we'll see. I do like buys, but yeah, I need to see a nice wick down and then break of the previous high. But we'll see. Ooh. I need to slow this down, don't I, Ryan? Slow down. Okay, chat. Here's my thoughts, and I want you to engage with me here. My thoughts are: I like the breakout. I like the breakout because of the MC play, and we often see like good volume after the MC play, right? We had the next bullish candle, still pushing bullish. But my only thoughts are this candle here. We have got a bottom wick, but it's very small. So I do like the setup, but I would have liked just a bigger wick. So chat, put in the chat If you want me to, should we give this one a go? We go stop. We just put stops below current candle to minimize the risk, but I like the run up with the clean candles that were broken above. So let's see it, chat. Let's see your thoughts. Let's involve you guys as well, because we're all traders here, right? Fail Manny, let's run it. Let's see. Imran, give it a chance. I do like giving it a chance, but what I will do, I want to put the stops below current candle just to mitigate that risk there. Because if it flips and goes bearish, I don't want to be in it. But I like the MC play here. So yeah, let's I don't know, let's give it a go. Stop loss, just gonna go current candles. I don't want to see that flip. So it's, I mean, like 11 pip risk here. I think it is worth it just to like run it up, you know, to. Oh, I'll probably close partials along the way anyway. Run it up to that resistance anyway. We'll see. We do have a minor resistance here. We'll think with volume, with the London volume, will be okay. But yeah, I think this one's worth it. Oh yeah, no, yes. Okay, cool. Okay, 19 pips in profit. Pretty much 20 pips. I'm happy with that. We're tapping up to that previous resistance now. So I'm just gonna close full on that, I think. I'm really happy with that. The fact that we started with small bottom wick as well. So yeah, good job, chat. Good job. That's down to you as well. Helping me out there as well. Well done. Yeah, loss is part of the game. Why not? I'm gonna close full on that. I like that. Cool. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for a new range to form again, and then that'll be the second trade of the day. We'll see if we can form a new range. Whoa, that did run for more. Ooh, nearly full TP. Okay, so what I'm gonna do straight away, we formed a new resistance, right? Still got clean candles to the upside for 20 pips. That's cool. So new resistance form, but lovely. Now I'm gonna wait for a new support to form. Okay. Let's just forward that to the next candle closure. Okay, so we've got a new support. It's pretty wicky, but I do like that. I'm just gonna go to the 5 minute as well, just to see. Yeah, okay. I want it closed below here. It's a long wick. Sometimes I like doing that just so it's a 5 minute spot because it's such a big wick. So I want to see, you know, some sort of closure. Just gonna check the half an hour as well. Okay. Hourly. With these no bottom wicks, I often see them get taken out, so we could see potential rejection. Maybe if we get a closure below, let's see. Let's run it. I also like the fact we've got the support. And let's see if we'll run it. I like that we've broken the previous high. You know, the MC. Okay, we've broken the previous high. If we could break the previous low, I like the MC play again. I know it's a long wick, but I do like that. Based of the market's making you look like there's two rejections to go up to the bullish move. But if we break that previous high and then come back down, break the previous low, I like the sells. So again, let's see how we roll. Is it back testing or live trading? This is back testing. It's a simulation session, so it's the live markets back in whenever this was for. So okay, I think we're gonna, if we break the previous candle low, I like it. Okay. Okay, we've got 3 minutes left of the candle. So I do tend to, if it's late on in the candle, I'll leave it. So I'll leave it for now. It ran anyway. Ran nicely. But what I'll be looking for now is like a small bullish candle still, because there's still potential entries. But leaving it so late in the candle, it pushed 10 pips in the last minute. So I'm just going to leave that for now. Because if this candle can form small bullish, I like the sells at the break of the previous wick for sure. How long we got? 4 minutes. Small bullish, please. Okay. Yes, nice. Okay, so we've got a small bullish candle. Sometimes I do suggest, especially for my guys, Market Cruiser, the engulfing wick. This is engulfing this candle, right? So sometimes I don't like them, but the fact that we had the MC play gives me more confidence. So if we break this previous low, I would like to see some sells. We'll see. We might not get it, but the MC player, I love it so much. Liquidity grab. So if we break the previous low, we might not. Ooh. Okay. I don't want to miss it. If we okay, there we go. There's our entry. There's our entry. Got it. Go stops. Let's take profit. We'll run that down to previous more solid support. And then we'll go stops above current. I shouldn't have any business coming back up there. Is that 5 pip stop loss? I mean, that's cool. Okay, worth the risk. We'll run it. 3 pips. Lovely. 14. Can we run that a bit more? Kind of hanging around for 5 pips. Coming back up to entry now. Let's go let that run. Okay, we're still close below, which I really like. So I'm going to trust that. We've created a bearish candle. We respect the previous high. We should continue going bullish. If we do break this previous low, that's where I'm going to look to secure some partials and go break even. I feel that's sensible. It's quite a big wick, but the fact we've got the closure below it is nice. Okay. Cool. Okay, I like that. 18 pips. Break even. See if we can run it a bit more. Before closing some partials. Just down to this bit here, which we're at now. Yeah, I like that. 22 pips. Gonna close some partials. Close partials. Close 85%. It might run over just like a little bit over the hour mark, guys. Maybe, you know, like 5 minutes extra. I want to get the Friday done in as well. But that's okay. This will be the final trade for the Thursday. And then we will announce the giveaway at the end. Play. Ooh, 30 pips, 40, 35. Can we hit TP? Can we hit TP? Please? I not hit TP. Oh, did I go break even? Yes, I did go break even. But yeah, come on. Just that one last push. Lovely. Okay, cool. Awesome, guys. So we're 8.8% up. What a week. I'm just going to go straight to Friday now because I'm a bit wary of time. But yeah, nice trade. How many percent are we up for the week? If you look down here, 8.88%. So nice. So think if this was funding Frontier, prop firm challenge, it's only 7.5% for the first phase, which is amazing. So we would have passed phase 1, which is nice. I'm just going to go over to the next day now. So we've got a nice London trade in there. We'll get a nice trade on for the Friday. I'm sure there'll be another nice setup here. But if I spot it, then I'll call it out. Look, got this nice new range here. Just trying to be... Okay, look, really nice entry. Weak bearish candle at resistance. This could be nice for buys. But I'm just going to skip to Friday. Oh, it was really nice for buys. But you see that setup, guys? Weak bearish resistance. MC play again. Look at that. Beautiful. Take the lows after the breakout, then take the highs. Bang. Lovely. Just going to go to Friday anyway. See if we can get a nice move. Come on. My finger's slowing down. Trigger finger. But yeah, really nice so far, guys. 8.8% up. Passes phase 1 in one stream. Yeah. That is nice. I do feel when you're doing simulation sessions, right, you have more confidence to hold the trades. When you're in live market conditions, you feel more obliged to secure partials, and I do it as well. But it's about training your brain, right? The more sim sessions you do and tune into, the better you'll be at holding them trades. Especially like for me, MC play, I love it so much. Liquidity grab play, so that's when I'm more confident to hold. But yeah, anyway, do some analysis. Daily, okay, daily closed above this most recent range, right? So you've got had the daily range. We closed above it on a daily, and we've already broken a previous high. We've got clean candles to the left-hand side. So gold being gold, we could just drive here for another bullish run on the daily there. So that's looking nice for buys. 4 hour again, looking real nice to continue out. Clean candles to the left-hand side. So yeah, looking good. Hourly. Again, bullish, slowing down the momentum there. We're going down to half an hour. Okay, half an hour created resistance and support. Same again on the 15 minutes. So let's draw out the analysis. So maybe we've already got a closure above, but we'll see. So widen up. So my resistance is going to be 2, 3, 5, 3, 8, 5. My support. I mean, we can have a minor support here. So I want to see a clean range if we get closure below 32 pips. Okay, that's cool. So if we get a closure below, I'll be looking to take sales down to this level here. If we get a closure above, we've got that really nice clean range on the daily and the 4 hour, etc. So I do think buys is a better option if we get a closure above here. But yeah, let's see if we can get a closure above. This is mid candle, so. And then we just leave it at the end of this trade. I think we'll do one. Oh, looks like we are going to close above. We have a rejection. Okay, we have got a closure above, but I'm not looking to take the trade just yet because it's more of a rejection wick at the moment. I don't really want to take the trade with a rejection wick. The wick is bigger than the body, which is a bit of a. I don't really want to risk that. It goes, it goes. Like, we just have to leave it. Okay, we failed to break the previous high or low. The only possibility now, if we can break the previous lows and break the highs with the MC play, you know, my favorite position, then I'll look to take that, but I'm not going to take it right now. We've broken the highs already without the bottom wick. Just see how we play. Break the lows. Nothing much going on at the moment. Okay, we are coming back up. Potential MC play going on here. Again, so we broke the highs, right? And then broke the lows. If we re-break the highs, I really like the buys. So I'm going to look to enter just the last trade of the week. So I'm just cautious of time right now. We're going just over the hour mark, so I'm just going to speed things up. Last trade of the week. Stops below current candle, 23 pips, not bad. TP. We're going to run it up, just run it up. I'll secure partials along the way. What's that? 80 pips, maybe not that much. 50. Just go 50, but I'll look to secure, 20, 30 pips. Last day of the week, it's Friday. See, we run that up. I've just noticed that's oof, blimey. That was a bit of a red flag for me. I didn't really look, 'cause I'm rushing. But that was really late on in the candle. 5:44. But I'm glad to see it did break up. But I'm gonna let it run a little bit more. Last trade of the week. Just gonna see how we go. If we can break above that previous high. Come on. Then I'll look. Come on, break above. I'll look to put stops at break even and then secure some more partials. But yeah, last trade of the week. We're up 8.7%, was it? 9%. Small bullish. Can we re-break the highs? If we re-break the highs here, I'm going to look to put my stops to break even. Treat myself because it's a Friday and hold. Come on. Because the MC play is giving me confidence to hold here. How are we looking? 7 minutes past. 8 minutes past. Okay, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Okay, let's go. Stops to break even. Should we... Oh, because it's a Friday, I'm gonna... I'll have a nice rule if it's because it's the Thursday, Friday. If you secure a nice profits for it, you can let your trade run a bit longer. So let's let this run. Let's let this run to TP. 30 pips, 40 pips, a little bit more. Come on. 40, just break that previous wick with there. Let's go. Let's go. Week done. The week is done. We end the week 11.74% up. Absolutely smashed it. Again, yeah, it's a lot more confidence when you see the setups in the sims. It gives you a lot of confidence to hold. So replicate this in the sim session to put it into live action. I know it's not as easy from a sim session putting it into live trading sessions, but the more you do these sim sessions, so make sure you tune in every other Wednesday sim sessions, replicate them into the live trading sessions. This, even for me, this is giving me bags of confidence going in tomorrow and Friday. It's really nice to see. What did we get in the end? Is there a way to see all your trades? I'm pretty sure you can see your history somewhere. I'm not sure, but we got one loss. Does anyone know how many wins we got there and how many we got? One loss, so I can remember that. I'm sure you can see what history. Oh, there it is. Let's go. But I don't know. Okay, so I think this includes partials. But yeah, here's our loss. We got a 2% loss there, minus 20 pips. Sometimes we secured less than 2%. That's okay. But look, over the course of the week, 11%. So it's 7.5% in phase 1. And then it's 5% in phase 2, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we're just a smidgen away from passing both phases in that 1 week. So yeah, great. I'm now going to quickly find out the winner of the giveaway. Okay, got it. Okay, drum roll, please. Can we get some? What can we represent drum roll in the chat? Let's just get some W's in the chat for the drum roll for the winner of the live stream. Can I get some W's in the chat for the week? W's in the chat, W's in the chat, and then I'm going to do a 5-second countdown, and then we're going to release the winner. I've got the winner right here. It's been announced by Funding Frontier. W's are in the chat. W's are W's, 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 W's. Okay, the winner is of the 25k account giveaway. They've done all the rules. Well done. It's a male. The name begins with a K. The winner is Christoph. Well done, Christoph. Round of applause. W's in the chat for Christoph. Well done for showing up on today's stream. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Christoph, we'll email you the account tomorrow. So yeah, awesome. Well done, guys, for turning up. Make sure you tune in to the daily analysis tomorrow morning. Make sure you follow Funding Frontier on Instagram. Follow me as well at Brian Cruz at Brian Cruz Effects. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube, all that jazz as well. So thanks very much, guys, for the stream. And yeah, good stuff. See you tomorrow morning. Yeah, congratulations, Christoph. Congratulations.